want to talk about not the Uvalde shooting, but the Buffalo
dude.
shooting.
This grocery store that was in the news cycle for 5 minutes.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, what happened in that case?
What are you driving like
has
that?
been, again, erased from that.
If only there was a bike lane.
The suspect, 19, went into a store called Vintage Firearms, despite the fact.
Have them eat chicken nuggets, whatever.
So I think there's a huge and constant tension between
What?
I
How did that person get there?
autonomy that is being
Classic.
asserted by the
Wow.
that you want to respect.
There's always
Amazing.
There's a tension there too.
Great driving.
Recognizing that not all rules are up for negotiation. There is a
Please, bus come by.
that establishes the rules that should be.
Brilliant. Excellent driving. Wrong way, jerk off. You go. You go. Fuck them. What's right of way? You were not supposed to go.
All out of letters and numbers and stuff. That was a really, really wonderful moment of connection that we got to have.
This is so true to you, Eli, because you're
Really?
not supposed to do that. That you can but you're like, no, my wife's up. I
You
need
pull
to
in.
get up, I have to do this. Like
The
what you're
whole
supposed to
spot
do
right
is,
there.
Alternate so one of you can at least not die.
So much room. So much room.
Stay awake, and then I would have been like, MasterCard. Have MasterCard call me up and tell me to stay awake. Town. So stupid. Imagine a donkey on a rope.
She's literally on the phone. Yep. Literally on the phone. How about we put the phone away? It's not dangerous at all.
I'm
Doing the
trying
same
to,
joke
I'm trying to
again.
move us away from joking about molesting your family, but that's all right.
Okay.
Anyway, so that was the first thing that we heard about him that made us all go, oh, maybe we don't, as a society, need to hear anything about Josh Duggar except that he's going to jail.
Right.
He didn't go to jail for that, or at least
Did
not.
he suffer any?
Yeah, I don't know, something.
Sure,
I
just cut
don't
me off.
remember that, but then
Gotta be one more car ahead.
later.
Right, the dissent, or Breyer will assign the dissent. But here's the thing: he sends that out.
But Breyer would decide.
Breyer would
Assign.
decide who does the
Even
dissent.
if Roberts wasn't
That was
on
smart.
the.
No, that's a fair point. If
Thank
Roberts
you.
is
Several fresh hells, actually. We had 3
Oh,
fresh
yeah.
hells the Supreme Court has delivered us. So we came up with a great plan. We owe our fine patrons a lot awful movies. And
Wow.
an idea, which is stuff got pushed out so much.
I guess
because
we all just park in a turn lane.
3 separate Supreme Court awfulnesses to
Yep,
cover.
let's do that.
And the J6 hearing, final J6 hearing for the month is happening as
He is barely my assholes.
and the engines were on the verge of stalling. And here's the thing, modern aircraft are amazing. So the "you done fucked up" systems kicked in, and then the plane began automatically to nose down. By doing this, the plane with the descent gained speed.
Great place to stop. Good job. That bugs me when people stop in the middle of the street. Especially while your passengers are getting in and out. It's like, what if the person behind you is not paying attention and boom, as they're a foot out the door. Like, that could not go end well.
Left or right.
Oh yeah, and the fact that like cars are zooming around you because everyone's so impatient. Yeah.
We have some amazing news. Walmart decided to remove the MyPillow brand from their stores last week.
Wow, look at that smarty pants.
Delightful meltdown in response. He's complaining that
Another
the
smarty
product
pants.
because of politics, which is another example of cancel culture. And yes, it is. It's exactly that. It's a beautiful, sparkling consequence of cancel culture gone exactly the right amount of far. Actually, if anything, it's not quite far enough.
Very
because
smart.
Walmart is still going to be selling MyPillow on their website for a while, just not in the physical stores. Now, I'm guessing they're just doing that to check.
Law, you're violating dictates of like established legal precedent. Nothing in the Constitution requires public funding for religious education. Maine's tuition program is already neutral toward religion because they're not saying,
There you go.
it's run boot camp. They're not doing that.
And now I go.
Overturning the law,
You have a stop sign.
Long-standing hostility
We take turns.
against belief systems. Let's face it, in Maine, you're not finding like this.
I don't know how stop signs work.
It's all Christian schools, let's be honest.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're just sitting in the middle of the road. What the fuck?
Completely lunatic. And he doesn't want to do debates. You know why? Because you don't want to see these guys try to talk in full sentences.
Oh
You
boy.
can't.
Oh boy.
Like, you know how Dr. Oz sucks, but at least he has TV presence because
Oh.
that's been his job for the past forever?
Yeah, it's
Imagine a
charismatic.
guy with no principles like Oz, but also has no TV
I know you're up
potential either,
there.
and just
You can
works
go.
out
You can go
every
further
time.
than
I
that
think
and
it's
still
really-
wait on
Red
pedestrians.
state. I'm surprised they couldn't drum up
Jesus.
a better candidate.
Are they all gonna pack it in? It's looking like it. Yep. Great job, asshole. Great job. You're parked in the bike lane, and I'm pretty sure that's not a bike.
Offside.
Oh. What are you doing right there?
You can't park there, sir.
What are you doing? Great driving.
Thank you.
that you're... No. That's literally the wrong way. Wow.
Who cares? Like 40 billion to him is like, you know, $40,000 to me. You know,
Yeah.
it's like if that. Like $400 to me actually.
Yeah.
I don't know. Those asses just play the damn. they just play Twitter for what it is.
The guy I just passed, like, full on went like halfway into this lane after I passed him.
And they were interviewing it about a young woman whose father. Have I done this before?
I think we've done this
Have we?
before, and they've got mad at us for
Silk
using
Road is
incorrect.
something?
What are you doing?
What's Silk Road?
That's closed a long time ago.
Okay.
I know
I
this
think I learned.
because my shop. No. There is a way to do it. It's just like you can't go to Google and find it. That's the thing we're talking about. You gotta like.
So you have it in the browser?
It's pretty much like you gotta know how to get to the things you want to get to. And Josh never knew how to get to the stuff he wanted to get to.
I would have stopped for you if you'd used your turn signal.
And now you're ready to fall asleep.
Okay, let's talk about this.
Oh. Oh. Wrong way, asshole. Wrong way, fuck nugget. Good job. Wide open parking space right next to you. Well, why do that when you can block the bike lane? Oh, now they turned their I can park anywhere I want lights on. That makes it okay, right?
People should be able to look at difficult material and learn it and learn about it and understand it.
Yep.
And
Oh my
I
God.
know that wasn't true because I know the education I had.
It's a nice bike you got there. I wonder what kind of bike that is.
It's fucking essential. Yeah.
Man, that's a nice bike you got there.
What? What?
You're parked in the bike lane. Don't do that.
My bad, sorry.
Tell them sorry.